Mark David. My God.
Para sila mga bata, no?
Ay, nagutot ako. Sa buto.
Sa mata, sa ulo.
Someone get inside. He smells something.
Fish I like, honey.
Na?
The husband of the gal that plays with. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning! Pasensya na guys. May nakikita ninyo yung mga vlog ko na disim lang yung mga sinusuot ko. Kasi yung previous vlog, ano siya? Yung previous vlog ko is isang whole day yun. And then kinat ko siya into 2 days yun. So, 4. So, may nakikita kayong vlog na disim yung green at saka yung purple or red na green na jacket and then purple yung nasa baba. Baby, good morning!
Morning.
So, ngayong araw guys, kasi hindi ni Tami makayanang walang haircut. So, yung nag-cut ng hair ko noon, tinext ko siya kahapon. And then punta siya dito 2 o'clock. And then, nag-usap din kami ni Lalo at saka Lloydie na mag-badminton. Social distancing style lang na pag-badminton ba yung paglalaro. So, yun yung gagawin namin. Pero hindi ko sure kung pupunta, anong oras sila punta dito. I'll do it, honey. The dog, honey, is outside, right?
Yeah.
Hindi ko pinasok yung lime ko dito sa loob. The other day, guys, I forgot to bring them. Or I decided not to bring because I thought it's gonna be okay. But it's 30 degree the few nights, right, Han? And then the lime, guys, I thought it died. Like the leaves crawled up like this. It's closing. And then it's like dry. Like when you touch it, it's like I thought it's died. It's a shock, guys. Na-shock pala sila, guys, sa ginaw. So, nag-ano ako, sus, ang mahal pa naman yung $25. Na-shock talaga yung lime, guys. Na ganun yung leaves. So, maganda yung panahon ngayon, guys. Kaya maglinis tayo ng maaga para mamaya mag-enjoy tayo sa labas. Yan, guys. Nilabas ko yung mga alaga kong halaman para naman makalanghap ng sikat ng araw. Yun, pati yung ano ko, yung ano tawag nito? Basta yung maliit doon. Nilabas ko rin. Yun ba? Tawag niyan. At saka, puti na siya, oh. Bulak. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya, guys, pag tapos na ako maligo. And then, meron ako ngayon, ang sakit. Ang iba pa naman pag may ano, diba? Pag may ganun, yung naramdaman mo is parang kakaiba. Yung, ano siya, init na maginaw. And then, pagkatapos yan, sakit yung puson. Yun yung naramdaman ko. Pero maligo ako ng mabilis. Andito na si Tami. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga binibili. What? I know Dada's here. Hindi siya bumili ng platter. Bumili siya ng mga individual. Ito lang sa amin. May nakita siyang catnip. Pagkain ng pusa. Look. Ang ganda naman ito. Where did he went? Where is this? Saan kaya siya nagpunta? I think sa ano. Yung pagkain ng mga alaga namin. Tignan natin anong binibili niya. What are you doing? Why you buy this and buy fruits and buy that and buy frozen things?
Frozen with it.
Shrimp.
Oh, okay.
What?
We're going to do the hot dog and just do that.
The haircut cancelled.
Yeah. So I heard.
She cancelled it. Her husband doesn't let her. I'm going to pick up Lloydie because Mark is still at work. So, walang haircut na mangyayari, guys. Kasi nag-cancel sila. Natakot daw sila sa COVID. You went to Market 32?
Yeah.
I noticed about their catnip. They're good.
And they're half the price of Pet Store.
I noticed because Hubs is still there.
Yeah.
You get a lot of things. Ito yung binili niya, guys. Saka shrimp. I don't know.
Look at I was looking at look here.
Yeah, so, I'm going to wash this. How much is the price? Which it is
$3.99 for each of them.
each of them? How much usually we get in regular?
$7.99. $4 more each.
Oh my God! Why you buy more clementines? Wash your hand. Did you wash your hand?
Well, that's right. I have to pack all these bags. Market 32 is not a good place to go.
Why?
I mean, I like it because of this. Yeah. Other than that, I wouldn't.
Why?
Because they're pricey. And they don't carry the selection that you used to because...
I let you go over there for this one. For this, oh? This.
Yeah, I know. I don't think that's any better than everywhere else.
Because ShopRite, they don't have none.
It should.
They don't do like this, like a platter already. Gawa lang ako ng ano guys, tawag nito, cucumber salad. Gawa lang tayo para meron tayong salad mamaya.
Enough ginger?
That's a lot.
That was big rooster. I was getting either one big one and a small one, and not one small one. Alright, we're doing this.
Ginger is good.
What?
Ginger is good. What is that? Is it going? Do we go? No, that's it. I'm gonna pick up this.
I have another one for your road.
No. I'm gonna. Okay guys, ito na yung ano natin, tawag nito, kinilaw na ginger. Yun. Ito, dalhin sa labas mamaya pag andito na sila. Itong crackers guys. Ganito yan si Tami kapag may tao. Kahit maliit, konti lang yung tao. Para siyang nagpa-party. Ganyan yan. Ito, shrimp cocktail. Yeah. Hello, eh. Why you adding more?
This is for pepperoni and cheese.
This one is for when we're eating. I'm going to pick up Lloydie, guys. Yun.
Yeah, you pour me this crackers.
Yeah. Pick up ko lang yung isa. Pero pagdating ko dito, magluto lang ako ng rice. Kasi mamaya lang kami kakain. Mag-snack pa man. So, maganda yung panahon, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Nilagay ko na yung upuan doon. Maganda ng panahon. Tignan nyo yung puti na kahoy. Yung prutas, naging puti. Ganda? Kunin ko na si Lloydie. Nag-sweater. Alam nyo bakit? Para akong nag-menopause. Kasi sa dugo ko. Ganyan ako guys. Pag meron talaga, yung feeling na pinapaningot ng maraming singot. yung sobrang, kahit mainit, kahit yung sobrang init na talaga, nagiginawan pa rin ako. Quiet. Nakilala ka ba? Sabihin mo, baba ha? Yung paano yung nails nila ba? Roxy?
Hi, Tommy! How are you?
Okay, enough na. Ha? Dito guys, ito yung ito yung social distancing namin na parang first summer ito be. What?
These are for the shrimp.
This is for the chips.
That's for the chips.
This is shrimp.
That's for the shrimp. This is cocktail sauce. This is for this. This is a veggie. That's a ranch. Okay. Oh, I look the same way.
Wala akong hangin be. Naginawan ako be. Guys, pangpatay ng bakterya. Ito yung pangpatay ng bakterya na. Andito na si Lo, guys. Sa yung asawa.
Dr. David. Filipino. Dr. David, I know, is an Irishman. No, she's a Filipino, Dr. David. Okay. And that's his wife.
Maglaro kami ng ano yun, Lo? Badminton.
Badminton.
Namumula na ako, guys, kasi
You met
dahil
Mark,
sabi.
right?
Yeah, with Mark David.
That was my daughter's doctor. Right?
A little over 13. And that was a lot back then.
Now it's
Tingnan niyo itong dalawa. Social distancing. Social distancing? Hoy.
Love that letter.
Ano yan? Ano? Ikakat ko yan.
Hindi, ay, minutes talagang ang ano niya, oh, tingnan mo. Oh my gosh.
Grill. Masarap itong ano, basta charcoal, di ba?
Basta charcoal, masarap na.
Hala, dumidikit, be.
Hindi, mamaya.
Gusto kong i-season kasi yung ano.
Alam mo yung ano, nagluto ako ng baby
Anong
chop.
seasoning mo, be?
Masarap ito, be, ano. Kirkland na ano, steak, Montreal steak.
Yan ang mga hindi pwede sa...
Parang salt ban ito.
Hindi
Ako pag
yun, may halin
May
yun
pepper.
eh. May
Ako pag
pepper,
may
hindi siya
DM
pwede.
ko ate, ganun pork chop. Salt lang din sa akin, be.
Ano?
Salt lang, kasi yung amoy.
Yung amoy.
Tapos ano, nagluto ko ng baby back ribs. Sa kanya dry rub kasi hindi na sa kanya pwede. Ako gumagamit ako. Wow, sarap, sarap.
Ang bilis talaga ng charcoal, no?
Oo, pag charcoal talagang ano. Kasi nag-ano siya, bumili ba naman siya na yun nga yung chicken tapos yung pigi ng baboy. Sabi niya, okay, I will look for it. No,
Han,
gusto ko yung
Look, it's nice ito, grill, ito charcoal.
tapos sabi niya,
What is that? A steak?
Yeah.
yeah, in the charcoal.
Is that your steak?
Tapos sabi ko, gusto ko yung katulad kay MaryAnn.
No, I'll eat it. I'll eat
Ang
it.
tawag nito, roaster, parang litsunan ba? Litsunan. Sabi niya, what is that? Okay,
Tiger. Oo. Saan ka dito mag-press?
my goodness.
Para sila mga bata, no?
Ay, nagulat ako kasi sa kinig. Takot sa buto.
Sa mata, sa ulo.
Sa ulo, sabi pa naman nung sa akin. Guys naman siguro, ano, ay, ano naman nag-away ko. Sige, dulo na tayo dyan sa kwarto. Okay lang yan, kasama tayo sa bike. Para tayo nagbabahay. Kasi nagulat ako nang sabi ba naman sa akin.
Ayan oh, yung dugo oh.
Okay na to dito, ha?
Oo, lagay mo dyan.
Hala, hala.
Oo, kasi may ano eh.
All the hair that stopped.
Guys, dried fish, guys.
How do you know it's just you stop using it and more
B,
hair
Lloydie.
would have fallen on it. There's no way to put it.
Dried fish mo, oh.
Taking their word for it. So they can hook you on it. You have to use it. They're
Go
claiming
back to alcohol.
Yep.
their claim is
Oh my gosh.
use Rogaine for a year.
Ito yung coco, guys. Taga-grill.
Oh my god.
All the hair is going to go off over that year.
Matagal pa yan maluto, lo.
Kaya lang
Taba
kailangan natin
kasi.
i-turn kasi matututong ng gusto talaga
O,
siya.
pwede mo siyang hiwain ng maliit.
Right. Can't prove it.
Alam mo ang hilig ko naman dito? Yung taba.
Yung taba. yung
Dito mo ano.
But their claim is they
tignan nyo to sila, guys.
no way you can sue them.
Si Lo. Hala, wala siyang pang ano, Lo. Wala siyang, ano.
Maliit ba? Tatloin ko to?
And then, igigrill-grill mo na lang.
Ay, i-grill ko na the other side.
Hala, hindi pa talaga luto. Tignan mo.
Hindi pa yan luto. Yeah.
Look.
Is that gonna go in the video?
Yeah.
Well, look how rare that is. Wow, it looks good.
It looks ew.
That's my husband like it. Like, rare, right, honey?
Not really, honey. Not that rare.
It's purple. That's still purple. It's not good.
Someone get inside. He smells something.
Is that the fish I like, honey?
Na?
You sure?
Yeah.
Daing be. Kakain ka niyang ganon be?
Bone on that, honey?
No, this is not.
Oh, okay.
Hello, that's Tommy's favorite. Look.
Hey,
This one.
Yeah, this one. Oh, right.
Why is that, Tom?
Okay guys, kain lang kami guys.
Not worth it today.
I think this is okay.
We bought 2 of these little
What
ones.
is that?
It's just, little ones that we got. What is it?
Okay lang kayo?
Yep.
Ano yan? Ano yung klaseng ano?
Yung sa atin, ano ba sa atin yung...
Skin? Skin na ba yan?
Yung... Tawag nito.
If I'm going to cook that in the apartment, for sure Mark is going out for the whole day.
Oh, yeah.
And it's just going back like
No, no.
tonight.
She bought that.
Yung ano
She said,
yung...
"Oh, this is an indoor grill."
Yes,
Indoor grill.
Guys, kain kami guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Nasarapan talaga. Ano, ang sarap ng steak.
Sarap ng...
Magmukbang sana ako.
Kaya lagay mo dun.
The
Dry
steak is
fish.
very good.
Oh.
Han,
Very good.
try the steak even it's cooked, overcooked. No, it's different. It's charcoal cooked. It's different.
I'll find my cut.
That's good, right? That's my favorite steak, ribeye. I used to like shell steak years ago when they had the tail on it and stuff.
Right.
And they stopped making them with tail. They don't even call them shell steaks anymore. Now they call them club steaks.
Is that what it's called? I didn't know that. Well, this one's very good. That's my favorite fish. So good.
She likes that.
So good. I think I like it so much because of the salt. It's not too salty. Just right.
Okay ka lang, Lo?
Nagbo-blow down.
Ako nag-blow na talaga.
Ito yung tawag nito, itong farm ni...
Dito. Ang ganda ng puti.
Hindi ako no, makapa.
Oo, sige, picturean ko kayo. Asan yung cellphone mo, be?
Punta kayo ng picture ko kayo.
Sige, picturean ko kayo, be.
Dapat dun tayo sa ID pa.
Hindi man bawal dun.
Tawa ako sa position ko.
Nakaganon pa siya eh. Nakaganon mo siya nakaporo.
Ganun pa ako, wala pa na eh.
Alin yan? Dito yan?
Yan.
Ah, sige na, dito.
Nakababa ka na ako, nasa taas pa.
Dito daw, be. Mas maganda ba?
Oh,
Dito,
yan,
oh.
sa
Dito.
gitna lang, yan ganyan.
Dito kayo. Sige na. Dito kayo.
Kaya lang, ano itong araw, be?
Ha? Hala, ang ganda. Doon kayo, baby. Hala, ang ganda. Doon kayo. Sige. Doon kayo. Doon kayo dalawa. Ah, parang Korean movie.
Para pang Korean.
Parang ulo ko, Korean na. Huy, asan si Daw Minchu? Ang init.
Hello, guys.
Lo, do you want to cook something? Do you want me to cook
I
something?
still have my coffee. Good.
Pagod.
Vodka and oranges?
Oy, do you want some soda?
Rum and coke?
No.
A little more punch to the beer.
Very good.
Stocking around. You know, if it's going Hey!
Roxy.
What?
I hit the bell on the racket.
Very serious about
That and karaoke.
that.
That and karaoke.
Yeah.
Go 4 feet in the Philippines without having seen somebody with some big giant speaker doing karaoke.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Well, she has friends who, I think one of the husbands of the gal that she plays with.
Look at guys, Tommy is washing all the dishes. Can I just wash it, hon?
Too late. What is there left to wash?
I will be right back, okay?
Nothing left but one coffee cup.
I'll be right back, okay? Hindi ko na. Sarap ito. Okay, I'm gonna bring Lloydie that he can spend time with Mark.
So what?
That she can spend time with Mark. I am home, guys. Karating ko lang. Dinala ko si Lloydie sa ano. Hi, baby. Thank you.
You have fun?
Yeah. You okay with it? You know, you can go change now. Huh?
Let's put the meringue in the downstairs refrigerator. Considering you didn't think anybody would want the meringue, I ate half of that pie.
You did? Mag-water lang ako, guys. I'm going to water the garden. Anyway, guys, so ibalik ko lang to siya, guys, kasi para ilaban ko lang siya kasi may darating kasi. So, akala ko mag-upo kami dito.
It's comedy.
Oh, it's a comedy?
Yeah. It's got an action comedy.
Okay, guys. So, dito na naman tayo. Kay Tommy na.
Talking about guns, smart ass. Weird ones. Come on, what you see is what I... You warned him. Don't make me kill you.
You insensitive jerk.
Almost 9 o'clock na ng gabi. My God. Wala, sorry. Hala, hala, oy, honey. Oy, he act like... Hala, hon. Hala, oy, gusto niyo, hon. He likes it, hon. Eat the shrimp. Binigyan ni Tommy ng shrimp. Anyway, guys, hindi na kami magtag-iin ko na tong vlog. Hopefully, yung, ano ko, yung plant, okay lang sila sa labas. Hindi ko na sila pinasok kasi, ano, ipasok ko lang yan sila kapag sobrang ginaw.
Bye guys. Have a good night.
See you tomorrow, guys. Good night.
Say goodbye, bud.
Bye-bye. And this is good honey, right?
He's so happy with it.
Huh?
He's so happy he got shrimp. I know you can eat more, but if you eat more, you're just going to get throw up.
This grape is so good, guys. There's no seed whatsoever.
Well, I don't want to go.